Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. So can you figure out what we're going to be making with these glass gems, some caulk, a couple of my Arteza markers, and just a little post-it note. Well, oh, and I might just use a little bit of string as well. Let's see, I'll use some baker's twine. So, all right, what am I going to make? Put it in the comments down below and let me know. I'll wait. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. You guys, this was adorable. And what we're going to do is these come with so many glass gems, right? And they're the perfect size. If you guessed that we were making, you know, the little paper in the background or photo in the background, that's not what we're doing. We're going to take 2 of the gems and we are going to take one of our markers. I'm going to choose purple. I also like the pink one. I'll show you that here shortly. But these are the Arteza acrylic markers, so you could use acrylic. You could also use spray paint if you just want to make like a whole bunch. Just spray paint a whole bunch all at one time. So you see these are moving around. This is why I've got the Post-it. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put these little guys right on here. And now they're not going to move anywhere. So I'm going to take my acrylic marker, and the way these work is you kind of shake them up, and I've already done this. Then you push down and you get that acrylic flowing. And we are literally going to color these. And the reason I have it all the way down at the bottom here, or a piece of paper to hold these, is so that I could get around the bottom. So we're just going to go all the way around. I'm not going to do both. I'm just going to do one so you could see, but we're literally just marking these up. And you can see how quick and easy like spray painting would work, right? I mean, we'd be done spray painting so many, but I wanted to show you, and I wanted the different colors, and these Arteza markers come in so many colors. I'll put a link down below. You guys see me using these markers all the time. I do love them. There are some things, I love the Arteza products. And when you do buy from me, I do get a small commission from them. But that's not why I do it, because it is a very, very small commission. So, look how cute. You know what? Okay. I'm just going to do the second one since I'm talking to you. You could fast forward through this if you want to. But have you figured out what we're making yet? So if you figured out now, did I touch my finger? No. If you figured out what I've made, what I'm making now, go ahead, put it down in the comments again, and just say second guess. I want to hear what you guys think, because I just think this is so fun. So I am making Christmas gifts and Christmas cards this week, and that's what I've been doing. What else? Oh, I have to go out to Costco today, and I am not looking forward to that. I really don't like shopping at Christmas, believe it or not. So, Amazon has been my friend. How about you guys? How are you guys shopping? You guys staying safe? Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty and so bright. I love it. Okay, so the other one, remember I showed you the pink marker? I wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to let these dry, and this one is already dry. So now I'm going to take these off. Have you figured it out yet? Remember what we're using. We've got caulk. We've got markers. Oh, and I did bring a little purple Sharpie marker as well. You could switch out the tips on these to make it, see it says replaceable tip. I don't know if you could see that or not, but it's a thick tip and then a chisel tip. But I didn't want to go through the whole chisel tip thing. So I'm going to take a piece of this here. This is just so many different ways you can use this. So we'll make this one into a little bit of an ornament. But I thought these would be super cute for Valentine's Day, actually. So that's why I'm making them in the pink and purple. Okay, we got that. Just a little knot there. That's all. So we've basically just made a hanger there. Now, this is what I'm going to do. We're going to take this and all the way around the outside. Now this, I didn't get too messy the first time I did it. And then you could put some in the inside as well. If you want, really you don't need to, but since I'm going to be putting a little hanger in there, I really want it to have some place to wrap around. So I'm putting a fair amount, and I'm pushing it out the outside just a little bit. And you don't have to add more to push it out the outside. You could just kind of squeeze it out there. Okay. I am going to put the lid back on. See, this is why I goof up. I probably shouldn't have been holding this that whole time. I'm going to bring this guy back over here now. I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put that in there. Right? And now I am going to take a little bit more caulk over the top. Just like that. Then I take my second piece, and we're going to put that on. Well, now, you guys, I'm going to let it dry. And let me show you what it's going to come out with. Now, the first one I did not put a hanger. But look, doesn't it look like a little macaron? Or a macaron? Or however you say it. But it looks like a little French macaron. And I thought that was so cute. So, you could add one of those big magnets that you can get at the Dollar Tree as well and make little magnets. But I thought these were so cute. And I thought, if you know kawaii stuff, oh my gosh, it's super cute. They put little faces, and I'm going to put just a little face on here. And we're going to put a little, like a kind of half smile. Give him a little tongue there. There we go. And then we'll make him like kind of laughing. So we'll put a little. Look at how cute that is. Wouldn't that make a cute little magnet? Or you can make a bunch of these little macarons and just have them right around, you know, hanging out here and there. So I thought they were super adorable. So I will be making more. I've got this little guy. Once he dries, you see, it dries nice. So we'll have a hanger there. And it is just so cute. This actually, you can make a yo-yo if you wanted to. It looks kind of like a yo-yo as well. And then, again, look how cute these are going to look next to each other with the pink and the purple. You could do some yellow, whatever. I mean, there's so many. I think there's like 28 different markers that I have. I'm not real sure. I don't remember, but I think they are super cute. If you like them, please give me a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe and I'll be putting out another video tonight because it is Friday. So I have my free Friday tutorial. We're going to be making a little cute treat box. So you'll want to see that. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.